I mean, instead of asking student. Okay, anyhow, if any doubt is there, okay, later I will check with those doubts. First, let me start the session. What exactly the SAP? What are the concepts I am going to provide in this particular course? Okay, which module I am going to provide? What exactly the S4 HANA? These all points I am going to clearly explain this one. Okay, let's see. I think everyone, I shared my white dashboard screen. Okay, myself, Balagangadhar. Okay, Balagangadhar. I started my, okay, I have total years of experiences, 18 plus years of experience in SAP industry itself. I started my career as a ABAP consultant, then migrated to techno-functional consultant. Okay, my career started with in 2004 end and 2005. I started learning with the SAP ABAP. Because of integrations, then I migrated to the different modules, not only one model. Okay, ABAP with finance integration, ABAP with HR integration, ABAP with okay, controlling integration, material management integration, sales and distribution, and material master data governance. These are all the different okay integrations which I'm working right now. Okay, right now. Okay, this is MDG is a separate new tool. It is implemented in the only higher level organizations. It's not for the medium level organizations. MDG is something with a governance, okay, governance related models. And coming to this particular topic, whatever the course I'm going to provide here, this course is related to the S4 HANA. So this is S4 HANA Finance. Okay, S4 HANA Finance and Controlling with the Fairy apps. With the Fairy apps. Okay, with Fairy apps. Now, why we are calling here S4 HANA? Before we used to call ECC. That is ECC Finance. Name has been changed to S4 HANA Finance. What is the reason? Okay, these all points I'm going to cover in this session. Okay, before. Okay, there are so many other points we have. Other points. Before going to this particular other points, today I will give you only basic overview about ERP, about differences I will explain. But in future, tomorrow class, still more in depth about the SAP related ERP models I will give. Before going to the SAP S4 HANA and ECC related, first, what is meaning of ERP? Anybody? Anybody?
Enterprise
Enterprise resources
report planning structure. Sorry,
planning. Okay, enterprise resources and planning. What exactly the meaning of enterprise? What is the meaning of enterprise? Enterprise is nothing but a organization or company. Enterprise is nothing but a company or industry organization. Okay, what are the resources in any organization? What are the resources? Money is one resource. Material is one resource. Missions, okay, manpower. These are all the different resources. Utilization of these resources, this company will get profits. If you use properly, this company will get profits. On what basis you will get it? By proper planning. Okay, by proper planning. That we can call ERP. Okay, ERP. ERP, it is a software. Okay, ERP, it is a software. What is the purpose of this ERP? To maintain different types of data. Okay, what is the purpose of ERP? To maintain data. Which data? If you are working finance, transactions data you can maintain. Account payable, account receivable, assets like that. There are so many banking related. If you are going to handle with the employees, employees related time data, login data, logout data, payroll data, this all maintained by the HR team. That is finance team. Okay, controlling team. Means each and every like informations like machines means machines means how many hours this machine is working, what exactly the running time of that machines, is it 8 hours is working, who is working this particular employee, which employee, that is employee related informations, what exactly the product output. Okay, what are the product output. Okay. For any deviations in this particular one, means is it how many hours is worked, how many hours is stopped, everything. Okay, worked and stopped, everything will maintained by the production team, production planning team. Employees related, their logins, their logout, their payroll, their payroll, their timesheet, everything monitored by this. Finance, assets, there are so many sub-modules we have. I'm not writing all. Okay, account payable, account receivable, assets, controlling, these all module data monitored by the FICO. Same procedure, the same procedure for different material related informations monitored by the warehouse management. Means in warehouse, okay, in warehouse, what exactly the stock related, okay, stock data will be monitored by. Means this is we are calling, this is we are calling to maintain the data, to maintain the data in one software, to maintain the data in one software. That software we are calling ERP. That software we can call ERP. We have the other software also. There are the different subtypes of softwares, but this ERP is having predefined a database will come. What is database? I'll discuss later. Question. Next, one more point. Whenever you maintain the data, what about the data? It should be integrated with the different models to integrate the data. What is the purpose of this ERP? This is to integrate data. We will use it to integrate the data. We'll use it. What type of integration this is? What exactly the meaning of integration? Okay, integration means like as a finance consultant. Okay, let me discuss first consultant. Okay, team, MM team, team. They will purchase material. They'll purchase the material. That material cost is 10,000 rupees. This is we can call purchase invoice or invoice logistic verification, whatever it is. Okay, first this is invoice amount. This is maintained in department. Okay, purchase related according to the purchase data, according to the GR, then it is maintained in logistic invoice verification team. It is maintained in invoice. This is I'm calling invoice. Okay, this is invoice. The same invoice data as a FI consultant, we have to maintain okay vendor invoice here. I have to maintain that is a vendor invoice. Okay, that same amount will be replicated in a database. Same amount will be replicated in database. This is a purchase concept created by the team. The same invoice we are going to work with the finance team as a vendor invoice. Here, the same amount, if it is replicated, that we are calling integration. Means we are going to integrate this data. This one. Who are going to maintain the vendor information? Which vendor that is? Which vendor data? Vendor data is information. Vendor data is very important. This vendor is maintained by the purchase team. Is nothing but a team. For the payment, vendor payment done by the FICO team. Vendor payment is done by the FICO team. Vendor payment done by this one. Okay, for this vendor invoice, we can use the different transaction code F-43. For vendor payment, we can use F-53. Okay, different transaction code could use for clearing payment. Okay, this is we are calling integration. That in between and finance, okay, and finance, whatever the transactions we are working, that we can call integration. Same example for customers also. Same example. Any doubt here before going to the customer? Any doubt here? What is the meaning of integration? Anybody? Any doubt? Anil, Prasad. Any doubt about integration? Nani, Purna Chandra, Ravi, Sai Prasad. Shakti Prasanna. Vikram. Any doubt here? Okay, next. Next. If it is this is I can call account payable. This I can call account payable. Account receivable. Okay, account receivable means. This is another scenario. This is a customer related scenario with the sales organization data. Sales organization data. Here, SD people. This is we can call SD, sales and distribution people. Customer scenario we can call sales. This customer related data maintained by the sales and distribution consultant. They will create the customer invoice here. Okay, customer invoice. The same data we are calling here. Okay, same data we can call customer invoice. In FICO, we have to maintain. Okay, now this is here vendor invoice. This is a customer invoice. If scenario will change, that we can call AR. That particular scenario we can call AR, account receivable. From where we are going to receive? The means money is going to receive to the from customer to the particular department. That we can call customer invoice. Customer invoice. Okay. Next, what about the payment? This says customer will pay the amount to this one. That we can call customer payment. Customer payment. This all to maintain all this type of material information data, finance information data, sales related information data. We can use software. That software only we will call ERP software. The first point is to maintain. First, if it is MM data will maintain. If it is same transaction, if it is employee salaries, HR data will maintain. What exactly the HR salaries? Monthly salaries. Okay. This is employee related salary information. Who is going to transfer? Employee transfer data. Okay, that is done by the integration with the FICO with the HR. Okay, salary data, general data. Okay, general invoice related information we can maintain. We can transfer the money through FI to HR. Okay, module to module we have the different integrations. That is only first to maintain and as well as to integrate the data in ERP. Okay, in ERP. Under this SAP, okay, sorry, under that ERP, SAP is the one particular product. Under that ERP, SAP is the one product. Okay, SAP. That SAP means it is a one product. SAP. But there are some other different products are there in market. Okay, SAP is the topmost product. Like that, we have the Oracle is another product. Oracle ERP, PeopleSoft ERP, Ramco ERP, Microsoft ERP, Microsoft Dynamics. Okay, Dynamics. There are other products we have, cloud ERP products. The cloud ERP products like Workday. Okay, in SAP we have another products we have SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Ariba, SAP Field Glass. Like that we have so many public cloud, private cloud, okay, private cloud. Like that we have different types of products they released into the market. These are the so many clouds also in SAP. SAP is the physical right now. Whatever you are going to learn, that is physical ERP product you are learning. Okay, in SAP we have physical ERP products and as well as cloud. Cloud anyhow we are not going to learn. We are going to learn with the S4 HANA. It is a physical ERP products. Okay, physical along with the SAP ERP with the Fieri also. With the Fieri, it's look like a cloud only Fieri application. Okay, look like a now Workday and as well as Info. These are all the different tools right now in market. Cloud related Zoho, some other products also is existed in the cloud product. What is the difference between physical and cloud? Anybody? Anybody here? Why will you use cloud? Why will you use physical? Any idea? Anybody in this class? What is the use of this one? Cloud and what is the use of physical? Okay, physical ERP products means okay means your whatever the software you are going to use, software is installed in installed in office premises. Office premises means in office locations we will install it. Okay, wherever your head office is there, in that head office, okay, we'll install the we'll download the software and we'll install the product. And we need separate networking team, separate network team, separate room, separate network room we required, separate authorizations we required. These are done by the admin team. Admin team. Installations, network, authorizations or authentications is done by the network team. That network team we can call basis team. Basis team. Next. Admin team we can call. Admin team. Done. Next, coming to the cloud, there's no need to install any software in your office. There's no need to use any network. Separate network team is not required. Separate room is not required. Separate authorization. This authorizations will taken care by the your cloud software. Like example, you are going to use this software from the USA. That USA people will provide one web link. That web link, just you can access that web link and you can use those software and as per the your time period. Okay, there's no need to install any product just by using some web link. By using some web link, like example, okay, this is one web link. This is one cloud product. Okay, this is a cloud SAP, cloud.sap. This is a one cloud software. Okay, this cloud software. Okay, before I have now company ID is expired right now. Okay, once if I enter my company ID, then if I click continue, only this particular web link only we will have. That's it. I think no software will be installed in your on desktop or in wherever it is. Nothing will just directly just only you can use and access that one. Whatever the data you'll store it, whatever the data you'll store in this particular web link, this data will be stored in cloud. You can access as per the requirement. If you are going to pay the salaries, you run the payroll. If you are going to pay the if you are going to run the time rate data, you can run this particular type of web links. Just use that link and how many months you want, how many years you want, how many days you want, you can just use those web link and you can close as per the requirement. But here, every authorizations, everything authorizations will be there in the cloud team only. But coming to the physical software, okay, whatever the software we are going to provide, we are going to provide these all authentications with our with our team only. Like example, this is provided by the our STC, our Sritech. Okay, this is a username, user details. Once if I connect by using connect button, you see now directly I can view my server details here only. This all monitored by the one particular admin. It is installed physically in Hyderabad. Okay, we are going to access this particular software through this logon screen. Okay, logon screen. Here, this is not cloud. This is physically installed, and we are going to save this data in the server itself from India itself. From India itself. Then I don't have any web link. I don't have any web link. Even we can create the web link. That web link is physical software web link only. Okay, meaning very simple steps only. Just elaborating. Okay, simple. Meaning cloud means just use the web link. Software means use the GUI or Fieri. GUI or Fieri. Okay, GUI. This Fieri link also it will work here. That we have to do some settings for the Fieri. Once if I click here login, this type of logon screens we can work in SAP. This type of logon screens. Here if you enter that particular user details and password details, the password detail. Okay, see now. Okay, those particular screens will be open. Here, transaction based levels, we can use it. If you want to create customers or vendors, you can use one code by using this transaction based code. These are all we can call transaction code wise. We can use it here. Okay, this is one code BP. BP is nothing but a business partner. Business partner is nothing but a customers, vendors, employees. Okay, goods receipt customer, goods receipt vendor. Okay, like there are different types of partner roles we have. This all we can create by using this transaction code. Like that, there are so many transaction code SAP is already delivered. This all transaction code for the end user purpose they maintained in SAP menu. This is we can call menu bar. Through this menu bar, we can access the applications. Okay, we can access the applications. This already there here. These all we can call predefined applications like FDAT02, FB50, FDAT02. There are different transaction codes. You can use here now. This is one application. Which application that is GL posting? Okay, general ledger posting, it is a one code delivered by SAP. GL posting is delivered by SAP. Okay, these type of codes, okay, more than advantage of, these are all the advantage of SAP. Okay, right now I'm giving. Okay, from here, okay, once if you install SAP, okay, more than 20,000 predefined applications will come automatically. Predefined applications. Okay, here what is application means? This is one application. GL posting is one application. Okay, next. Okay, GL enter document is one application. Enter GL ledger group one application. Post with clearing application. Incoming payment, outgoing payment, cash journals. Okay, documents. FB02, FB09, FB03. These all we can call applications. These many applications created by SAP. Okay, these many, how many are there means T codes. Okay, those are all we can call T codes. Okay, transaction codes. Okay, transaction codes. Around 20,000 are there. Okay, around 20,000 plus transaction code. And as well as, okay, if you observe now here, more than 1 lakh database tables. Okay, 1 lakh plus database tables. Okay, database tables in SAP. Okay, more than 1 lakh database tables in SAP. What exactly meaning of database table? The definition also I'll give. First see this one. I'll show it. If you want to see the tables, SC11 is the code. Let me enter that one. C star. Sorry, SC11. Okay, F4. Okay, F4. Just only 200 it display. Let me remove the C star. Okay, it will show. Okay, it will show around 30,000 plus or 40,000 plus tables. Only C related tables. Only C related tables. It will show around 30,000 tables. Okay, C related means starting with the C. C means like on C table you can see CA, LD chart means calculated chart of credit worth. Okay, this is C bank. FS means bank fact sheet, bank swift code like that. One table budget transfer like that. Okay, it will show thousands of tables. It will show. Still running. It is going to fetch this particular data. Meaning more than 1 lakh means I did not count any time because we don't want to count those many tables. Okay, one separator, one figure I had given, but that more than 1 lakh it is there in database. Okay, 1 lakh tables. A series around 5,000 tables are there. B series around 4,000 tables are there. C series around 30,000 tables or 40,000 tables are there. D series separate tables. M series like that. You can see now only C series. Only C series. You can count it here only 29,598. Meaning only C tables. If you count it here, only C tables. Okay, see that first letter is C. Only C related tables. You cannot find out these many tables in any software in the world, and anywhere in the world. Okay, these many applications and these many database tables. Nobody is created. Nobody won't create it. Okay, nobody will reach this many database tables. Okay, in coming next okay minimum 10 to 15 years minimum. Okay, minimum. In these many applications itself they cannot create it. Okay, more than 45,000. Okay, 45 predefined application means applications also there in this. Okay, applications are different here. Applications means FICO is one application. MM is one application. Sales and distribution is one application. PP is one application. HR is one application. Okay, business intelligence and all. Like that, we have around 45 modules we have in SAP. Okay, no other software does not have this many modules. Okay, this many modules. Not only this, even cloud also we have. Cloud itself around 10 to 12 cloud products we have. For each and every company requirement, SAP is created these particular models. Okay, all types of models. Like if your company is oil and gas company, oil and gas, like petroleum related. Okay, like Indian gas. You can use this particular Indian gas. Okay, you can use Reliance gas. You can use like okay Arab petroleums. Okay, Arab petroleums, UAE countries. Okay, these are all they will use oil and gas. In India, very less companies only oil sector companies can use HP Petroleum, HB Bharat Gas. Okay, this type of. Then what about the other? IS Retail. IS Retail. This is one specific product. This is okay Arvindo. Okay, Arvindo. Sorry, not Arvindo. Arvind company. Arvind. I think you everybody heard about Arvind. Okay, in Bangalore, Mysore Road it is there. Okay, Arvind. This is a retail sector, means source, okay, manufacturing related sectors. Arvind, okay, these are all Arvind retails, and as well as some Raymond's retails, Raymond's retail. This type of clients they are having, they will use this retail related product, okay, retail related product. Okay, some other companies like only business objects, only for reporting tools. This is BW Anana, okay, transactional and as well as analytical. Okay, both clients they want, they will go for this HANA. Okay, like that, there are company-based products also we have. Company-based. If your company is oil and sector, then I will provide one oil and sector software. Like that, we have more than 45 plus modules in SAP. These all okay modules, okay, present running modules only. Okay, only some small EHS is there one module that is not running properly. Okay, EHS, Environmental Health Sciences. In Hyderabad, ICRISAT is there, ICRISAT. Okay, Patanjali. They were using this particular product. Right now, I don't know what exactly their product, but EHS, those environmental health sciences related products, they can use it. These products are okay. Even S4 HANA, I never seen that. In ECC, it was there that product. Okay, like that. If you see that many applications around 45 plus applications are there. More than 1 lakh database tables are there. Around 20,000 applications are there. Now recently they added in okay, recently means in 2000, okay, 2015 only they added, but the application is running properly from 2021. They added around 17,500 okay, predefined apps is released to the market. Okay, these are all apps directly you can access from the web link only. That those apps we can call Fieri apps. Okay, Fieri apps means SAP advantages. These are all. Okay, Fieri apps library. Meaning SAP has come up with their instead of GUI screen. See now, most of the old clients, most of the old clients, they used to work on this type of GUI. Okay, this GUI. Now in HANA, this GUI only we are using. But along with the GUI, there is a concept name called Fieri. Okay, in this Fieri related apps, SAP is delivered around 17,500 apps they delivered. See now. These are the apps. Okay, app. How exactly this app will be shown? Okay, if you open this app, related app, okay, related app. Now check now. One app, I'll show it. Okay, if you check that particular app, okay, this is the app name. Product features. In this server, I did not configure. Okay, in another server, I configured already. Let me show. Okay, this is a Fieri app. Same application. Application is same, only user is different. Okay, same S4 on application only. This also user will be different. Okay, user will be different. Okay, here not required that one also. Directly web link only I will show it. See now, this web link it will show. Here we will enter this link. This link I can call Fieri link. Here S23 HANA password. Okay, once if I click here, same instead of GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, instead of graphical user interface. Okay, this is nobody will show that particular initial sessions because just they will teach only just normal GUI screen only they'll complete their course. For students, we are giving extra even Fieri app authorizations and how to install, how to access, how to test it. That also we are going to deliver this particular for our students, this particular app. Okay, last Fieri sessions will be last. That time I will teach you these apps also. Let's check now. This is normal traditional GUI. Everyone can access this BP by using this transaction code. For the same application, if I click organization, here it will show here one application here. Same application now we are delivering to the client by using this organization. I can create it by using web app. Web app. This is web app. Through this web app, I can access the business partner applications, and these business partner applications, if I click here, okay, user can create this web link through web link. Same application, same. Then why they need this particular application? This is you can access through mobile, through tablet, through desktop and laptop. But what about this one? Okay, for this one we need separate setup. Okay, we need a laptop compulsory. Then only you can access the GUI. Means these GUIs you cannot access through mobiles, through tablet. Okay, that's why the SAP has come up with the latest technology called Fieri. These Fieri links we are going to work the some particular applications, and I am going to teach you. I am going to configure you here those particular vendor configuration, customer configurations. Okay, using Fieri only. Okay, using Fieri. That is the latest concepts which, okay, I'm going to set up the even backend configurations also. I'm going to teach you in this one. This one. Like this type of, this is one app. This is one app. Which one? Create organization is one app. Create. Now, if I go for the another app, okay, another app, there are different types of apps we have. You can access those particular app by using this home button. Okay, home button. Okay, if I click here now, once again, what is account configurations or account payable, account clearing, account payable invoices. That is a create incoming invoice. If I click here, create incoming invoices, then it will show the separate company code data. Okay, then if I enter here 0001, this is a standard company code. Now, if I click here, continue button, okay, it will show the separate settings for the, okay, account related invoice. Same transaction code. This is a vendor invoice. I can use it in here. Okay, I can use it here. FB60. Okay, FB60. FB60 is the, okay, 001. Now, if you click here, this is a vendor invoice. It is opened in GUI. Same vendor invoice I opened in web link. Same vendor invoice I opened in web link. What is the difference? This is GUI framework. It will work only laptop, desktop. What about this one? I can create this one anywhere, even my mobile, my tab, my face, any applications. I can use it. Application is same, output is same. Okay, output. The way of usage will be user friendly. Means user can use these particular applications. Let me open longer, then you will see this particular GL accounts also. Let's see. Okay, see now down. Okay, if you move this cursor, see now that same GL account. Okay, same GL account here also. Okay, same GL. It depends upon how you are going to use these applications. This course is related to this course. Whatever the course I am going to provide here, along with the S4 HANA, along with the S4 HANA with the Fieri. That is only, that's why I have written here. 17,000 plus predefined apps are there. You no need to learn all these apps. Okay, if you know how to configure only FI related and controlling related configuration, more than enough. Okay, more than. If you configure one application, it's same as 1,000 applications. If you configure one application, same as 17,000 plus applications. That usage may be different. Okay, usage. But your work is only finance. Finance applications, you have to know what type of applications you will use, what type of applications you can test frequently. Those applications, if you know that basic idea, it is good for you to test it. Okay, to test it. Next. Okay, under that, okay, we have the like some other advantages. We have GST tax procedures. Like example, GST tax procedures means whenever you are going to maintain the tax procedures, okay, tax procedures, okay, tax procedures. SAP is given already predefined tax procedures already maintained. Okay, predefined. There predefined they maintained for the tax IN is for the India. Okay, tax INN is for the India. But what about the tax codes? Taxes they created. What about tax code? This tax code depends upon the country. Country. But in that India, we are using GST. If it is each tax code, example, okay, 0%, okay, 0%, 5%, 18%, 12%, 28%, okay, 50%. These are all the tax slabs. Okay, slabs. Okay, how to maintain these slabs? Okay, now recently the 28% is okay removed, and then they are moving to the okay 18%, I think. Okay, 18%. Okay, these are the tax slabs. How to maintain these tax slabs? Okay, 12% or 18% tax slabs. How to maintain? Okay, this is the we are going to learn in this particular tax process. Means SAP is delivered all predefined taxes procedures they maintain. As per the client, as per the country, we will maintain those taxes procedures in SAP Finance. Next, Currency translations. Currency translations. Nothing but a currency translations, nothing but a like 1 USD is equivalent to how much INR, that you have to know that particular one. But this particular amount will vary based on the current transactions. Nothing but it will vary every particular minute or one particular day based on the transactions. 88.62 now current prices. This is the 88.62 is the INR right now. But the same translations worldwide we have 1 USD is equivalent to how many German, 1 is equal to how many Chinese, how many Russians. There are so many, around 30,000 plus transactions. Currency currency transactions are there. Currency related transactions means your company is global. Then we have to maintain all over the world country transaction translations. Transaction is different. Translations is different. This is whatever I am telling. Translations. Okay, translation. Currency translations. 30,000 currency translations will maintain in SAP, and we are going to work with the as per the requirement. If your country is only particular country, then only particular transaction code, there no need to maintain all the currency translation types. Okay, all the countries translate. Now, if your company is using like HR payment that we can call payroll, SAP is already delivered almost 120 plus countries payrolls already delivered by SAP. These are all the points advantage whenever you are going to use the SAP product. Okay, SAP product. Any doubt here? Anybody about basics? I will discuss these points in coming session also. Just one overview I have to give. What is ERP? What is SAP related? What are the advantages compared to the other product? Still other products I did not discuss. Tomorrow we will elaborate this particular other points because you have to know like SAP related I discussed. What about other products? SAP related I told you all these many so many modules we have, so many tables we have that. What about other networks? Okay, other softwares. Okay, other softwares like nothing but Oracle. Oracle we have the limited product. PeopleSoft only two products. Ramco is small product. Microsoft only 6 to 7 models we have. Oracle we have around 7 to 8 models we have. 7 to 8 models. Okay, cloud we have only two products. Ariba only one product. Zoho only small product. Okay, yes. There's no competition for SAP. Means if you check with the comparison between Oracle and SAP, there's no competitor in the market. SAP is already developed and they are going to implement with the latest technologies in future. If they want to reach it, the next 10 years, 15 years, they're required to reach the SAP. Okay, why means those many applications already running in SAP. Already running. In Oracle also we have the database, but it's not database. SAP HANA is already developed, already successful running in SAP. Okay, that's why there's no competition for the SAP next 10 years. Okay, there's no need to worry about our job related data. Okay, next 10 years, no issue. Even after AI also will come. Okay, after AI in SAP is going to implement with AI. That is AI technology. Then FI with AI will work. That's it. Your role won't change it. Your role won't be deleted from the SAP jobs. Okay, because job will be there. Some resources may be changed. 5 to 10% of the resource may affect in future. Because of AI in SAP, I'm talking about. Not like 70%, 80%, like testing, some like testing related, testing related or programming, Java programming and Python programming. Now, Python programming most of the times now is, okay, most of the jobs are going to affect with the Python related and Java related only in recent time. Okay. Even testing jobs also, okay, it may affect, but SAP related testing jobs is the manual testing most of the times which we are working. With the SAP testing jobs also, it won't be. Why means everything system cannot understand, cannot maintain 100% with that particular same type of testing. So that's why it is not possible to replace all the programmers, all the functional consultant, all the testers in SAP. Okay, SAP. Okay. And come, yeah, ask me any doubt here. Anybody? Any doubt? What exactly is SAP? If you have any doubt, ask me. I'll
Sir, what is the difference between SAP and EAR? EAR or EPR?
SAP and
EAR software support.
where?
The name.
SAP and
EAR, I think so, sir.
Your voice is not clear. What is your name?
Vikram.
Vikrant. Tell me. Chat box. You can type it.
I think he's talking about the Fury apps.
Fury apps. Okay. See now. SAP means Fury apps means that is only. See now. I've shown you live here. See now. Fury app means see no difference here. Means SAP is come up with their one new technology name called Fury. If you install the Fury with SAP S4 HANA, you can work with the normal screen like this type of screen. Along with this screen, you can work with a web link also. Web link also. Okay, why you have to work with the web link means, okay, if your manager wants to see is your financial transactions, vendor invoices, vendor related payment related data, wants to see his mobile, okay, he cannot see by using login with the system in aeroplane or somewhere, he cannot see or somewhere in airport. Okay, directly he wants to see through that he need one mobile, okay, one link. He can open just that web link, and once if you enter that particular vendor invoice report, then he can able to see all the vendor related invoices or material related stock data, everything he can monitor and he will do it. But what about the previous versions? There is best they have to log in their servers, then only it will be opened. But now SAP has come up with freely, okay, free, with the Fury app, that application we can call Fury applications. Vikram, understood this point? For
Yeah.
this, along with S4 HANA, SAP has come up with one more technology called Fury. You can run, you can test, and you can deliver to the client the same T code only. But okay, now latest to clients like who are going to implement for the like 2021 onwards, so most of the clients they are they are using, okay, even 2021 onwards they are using even Fury app also. Okay, Fury app also. Advantage as I told you already. Okay, they can use it through mobiles. Okay, mobiles. And user friendly. User friendly. Okay, these particular applications. Okay, that is we can call advantages. Okay, advantages. Yeah. Any doubt? Here one end user, who is the end user? Yeah. Tester. Anila?
No, it's me, Prasad.
Prasad. Yeah, Prasad. Did you use that Fury links for your testing?
Yeah, yeah. I used to create the W-based elements like projects. I
Okay,
used
means
for create projects. Yeah.
you used to create the Fury links or used to test it?
No. I used to test it, not creating. I used to
Ah,
test it through Fury. I used to create the projects.
okay, used to create the projects. Okay,
Yeah.
now see now that applications only that only means this particular applications, okay, for testing purpose, okay, for end user development purpose. Here you don't have the configuration. Configuration done by only here only. Means all the configuration, like example, if I need supplier, I have to do supplier settings in this screen only can do it. Means here only I have to do it configuration settings. All configuration, okay, OB, OM, okay, like SPRO. This all configurations you have to do it through GI only. Only for testing purpose and end user delivery purpose, end user application purpose, then we are delivering this query. Vikram, understood this point? Configurations, everything HANA only will work out. Configuration. But
Yes.
coming to the testing, you can test with the GUI and as well as you can test with the web links. Okay, both are possible. And for delivery purpose, we will deliver two types of applications. One is GUI based application with the transaction code. Another one is web based applications through Fury. Okay, web based application through Fury. Then this link, like if you see like Infosys or any other, okay, TCS, okay, any client, if you see this particular, they're all the tracking related, they're all the, okay, particular, okay, TCS, okay, they're all through web links only, they're having all their financial transactions, it will show their profits and losses, and what about their, who are there, excuse me, okay, this all, global transactions is not there, I think. Sound organizations, okay, global studies and customer. Okay, that investors. Okay, their financial data, their quarterly earnings reports. Okay, quarterly earning report. So now if I click here quarterly earning report, okay, quarterly earning report. This is already maintained quarterly earning report. Okay, now if I click here, this is the one web link. Consolidation standalone. Okay, this for download they had given, but normally with download we don't want. Okay, once if I click here, okay, once if I click that, it should open through web only. But this is also one type of web link only. So once if I click here, consolidated standalone sheet, so now one web link has come. Okay, this web link report. This is you can call this type of link will be linked to this type of financial transaction purpose. We can link. Okay, we can link it here. Okay, these all we can call cloud. Okay, fairy links. Okay, fairy link. This is done by the end user, like nothing but some other okay, developer, maybe HTML5 developer or some other developer. They will work. Okay, what exactly the final aim? Our link, our financial report related vendor invoice related report, those for okay, for in company side, if they want to use these type of okay cursor links, this type of hyperlinks, we will create here this link. Then this link, once if we deliver to the HTML developer, they can access these web links to maintain their reports. Okay, for that we will use this type of transactions. Yeah. Any doubt? Ask me here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. Okay, tomorrow class with this extension, what exactly the SAP, what is the difference between SAP and Oracle, this type of concepts I'm going to discuss tomorrow class, more in-depth points. If anybody is having any doubt now, you can ask me. Anisha, Anil, Dhanalakshmi, Prasad, Madan, Murali,
Hi, good morning.
Anupam. Yeah, good morning. With Sanjay, eh?
Uh, yeah, yes.
Yes, Sanjay.
So currently I'm working in IT operations.
Okay,
So I have 10 plus years experience.
okay.
So
Which domain? IT
it's into
operations,
service
which?
desk.
Okay. Service desk. Okay.
Yes. So can I switch to SAP FICO now? Is it possible to switch?
See now, whatever like see now, you are not going to change any your certification as a your experience letters, all these things. You have to show the same experience letters, and you have to you just tell them, okay, last if your company is using any ERP product, Sanjay,
Yeah. So currently I'm working for Uber. Uber is a client.
Uber is the
So
client.
yeah, they are using the Oracle.
Exactly. But there, Uber, everyone knew it. Okay, Uber is not using SAP.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why this type of client is there means you have to take care like yourself. Means if there is any manufacturing sector, any particular other clients, they don't know. They won't check proper okay back end because they
Mhm,
everyone know it. Okay, they might use some ERP product. But Uber, everybody knew it because every
mhm,
most of the IT sectors people will use Uber only. Okay, and managers, project managers, everything because which client they are working, what are the software they are working. Uber okay means they will easily identify they're not using SAP. Okay, that's what these type of then you have to think about. And for this one, Naresh sir will help you about this particular. Then after this class, you can just contact the Naresh sir. He will guide you remaining thing. Okay.
yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. Means experience wise, I will provide. Means experience wise, that much subject. Okay, I'll give for practical scenarios. Okay, like in class, I will give you one scenario for practical. If you want to work more practical, okay, then compulsory you have to work like little bit harder to show your
Mhm,
experience. Okay, so yeah.
okay.
And anybody is having any doubt? And Naresh sir will discuss the remaining. Okay, if subject related doubts, if you have, ask me. Still, if you have any doubt, tomorrow also I'll join at the same time. Okay, around 10 o'clock. Okay, if any doubt is there, is a small or is a big doubt, okay, no problem. You can raise it tomorrow. And each today class, and they are she's recording this session. Okay, she's recording session. If you need recording session, you can just ask her. She will send to the your mail ID, sir. Okay, yeah. I'll stop it today, sir. Naresh sir.